The idea behind zero-based budget is that every dollar is allocated to a category, and if one of the categories has any money left, then it can be rolled over to another category. This is a very detailed budget where you look at your monthly income and then subtract expenses until you have $0 left. Often the budget is used instead of going to zero, then you will have whatever is left in a fund, which can be used for either savings or investing. That way you will always know what your money is accounted for, and you will not be confused about unaccounted money. How it works is that you will make categories and assign expenses to them. Here there can be multiple categories like food, housing, transport, debt repayment, savings, entertainment and others. But as you try to allocate every dollar, then at some point you will have more expenses than others, like during the holidays, or if there are some periods where there are more birthdays than others. Because of this, you will have a clean slate each month and a new chance for how you want to allocate your money to make room for all of it. Pros of a budget is that it gives a very detailed overview of where your money is going, and it is useful for those who want a very hands-on approach to budgeting. It is also very flexible as it can be adjusted every month and redirect money to whatever category might need it. Cons of a budget is that it is very time consuming to track everything like this, and it is very time consuming to adjust it every month. To allocate all of your money without underestimating and risking your expenses being higher than your income is also tough and might take multiple months to master. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help people with personal finance, so if you're interested in more topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when we release a new video which might help you on your journey.